always looking for that light in the shadow. Always been wandering through darkness. I'm always listening for...
Hi guys, so we just got done spending the weekend with my family in New Jersey. That was super awesome, but we drove to Connecticut late last night, and actually we have a friend here, so we stayed with him last night, and then today we are going to explore some of Rhode Island. So we're super excited because neither of us have been there, like most of the states here, but I'm sure it will be so beautiful. We are in Newport. We originally had planned and mapped out our route to go through Providence, but the map changed on us while we were driving. There was a faster route, so it bypassed Providence instead, and so we didn't actually get to go there. But we are in Newport. We are going to a cliff walk, which is really popular there. We're super excited to check that out, and then we're just going to explore the city a little bit and grab some lunch.
I'm always looking for that light in the shadow. Always been wandering through darkness. I'm always listening for a sound to follow, waiting for something to begin. Waiting for something to begin. Just wanna go where I remember you mostly, and hope I hear your voice again. And hope I hear your voice again. I miss the mountains and I miss the oceans. Yeah, I miss the city and you. 'Cause I'm tired of this way.
So good.
For something that's somewhere just out of my view. I wanna wake up, I wanna wake up, I wanna wake up. I wanna wake up, I wanna wake up, I wanna wake up. I'll keep on dreaming until I remember you and what you look like from up above. I'll keep on dreaming, I'll keep on dreaming. I miss the mountains, I miss the ocean, I miss the city and you. But I keep on waiting, waiting for something, somewhere just out of my view. I miss the mountains and I miss the oceans. Yeah, I miss the city and you. I'll keep on waiting and waiting for something that's somewhere just out of my view. I miss the mountains and I miss the oceans. Yeah, I miss the city and you. I'll keep on waiting and waiting for something that's somewhere just out of my view. I've seen the sun, I've seen the rain, felt the wind and I felt the shame.
after Newport, we weren't sure what to do. So we just looked on the map, and the place we were just at was called Beavertail State Park. It's free, and it was beautiful.
Yeah, it was probably our favorite part of Rhode Island, even though the cliff walk is super popular and you got to see these huge mansions and estates that were there. You can also tour one too that we didn't. It was just so beautiful, and the weather had cooled down a lot more, so I think it was a lot more enjoyable to be there by the ocean, see the waves crashing up on the rocks.
Yeah, and the Beavertail State Park is in Jamestown, so it's its own little, I think it's an island, I can't remember, but it's not the same place as Newport. You go over a big toll bridge to get to there.
It's also completely free, which
Yes.
is awesome. So from Newport, like you said, there's a toll, $4 toll to go over the bridge, but then once you get to the park, it's free, and it's so beautiful, and we had a fun time exploring that.
Rhode Island is a lot prettier than we thought. When I hear Providence, I think of Dumb and Dumber, so I don't know. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. We had a lot of fun here, and we're excited to move on up into Boston and more of the New England states. So stay tuned so you can follow along with us.
Hi guys! It's right on my face.
So we don't get the cracks. Look at that dog.